Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and vibrant green fields, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya belonged to a marginalized community and faced numerous societal barriers that restricted her dreams and aspirations. She had a heart full of ambition and a mind teeming with ideas, but the weight of society's expectations and prejudices weighed her down. Maya's community had long been confined to the outskirts of the village, their voices muted and their talents overlooked. But Maya refused to accept this as her fate. She believed that she could break through these social barriers and pave the way for others to follow. With unwavering determination, she embarked on a journey to transform not only her own life, but the lives of those around her. Maya knew that education held the key to unlocking opportunities. She enrolled herself in a small school in the village, where she faced skepticism and disapproval from both her peers and teachers. Undeterred, she studied diligently, pouring her heart and soul into her books, determined to prove herself. As time went by, Maya's dedication and passion for learning began to shine through. Her grades soared, and her teachers couldn't help but recognize her potential. Slowly but steadily, her classmates and the villagers started to acknowledge her abilities too. Maya became a beacon of hope for others who had once felt trapped by the societal barriers. But Maya didn't stop there. She realized that education alone would not be enough to bring about lasting change. She needed to bridge the gap between her community and the rest of the village. Maya organized community gatherings, where people from different backgrounds could come together, share stories, and embrace each other's differences. Through her efforts, Maya fostered understanding, empathy, and unity among the villagers. She encouraged dialogue, challenging stereotypes and preconceived notions. Gradually, the once divided village began to change. People opened their hearts and minds, realizing that everyone had something valuable to contribute, regardless of their background. Maya's journey was not without its challenges. She faced setbacks, encountered resistance, and at times, doubted her own abilities. But she drew strength from her determination and the support of those who believed in her cause. Maya's unwavering spirit and relentless pursuit of equality became an inspiration to others, encouraging them to embrace their own potential and strive for a brighter future. As years passed, Maya's efforts bore fruit. The marginalized community started gaining recognition for their talents, and barriers that once seemed insurmountable slowly crumbled away. Maya became a role model, not only in her village but also in the surrounding towns and cities. Her story spread far and wide, inspiring countless individuals from marginalized communities to rise above societal barriers and pursue their dreams with courage and determination. Maya's legacy became a testament to the power of resilience, education, and unity in breaking down social barriers and creating a more inclusive society. And so, the tale of Maya serves as a reminder that no barrier is too high to overcome, no dream too grand to pursue. Her story continues to inspire generations, reminding them that they too can be the architects of change, shaping a world where everyone has the opportunity to flourish, regardless of their background. Remember, dear readers, that each of us has the power to pave the way for others, just as Maya did. Embrace your uniqueness, break through barriers, and let your light shine brightly, igniting a spark of hope in the hearts of those around you.